Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the machine. That's essential. Once you have a purchase receipt, serial number, or account registration, contact the manufacturer or reseller. Make sure to note the exact model and BIOS vendor, because authorized recovery methods differ. You're not trying to bypass security, you're following official recovery channels. This prevents accidental data loss and keeps warranties intact. If the device is company-owned, involve IT. Do not proceed solo without documented approval. Once manufacturer support confirms your ownership, follow their prescribed recovery path. They may issue a recovery token, patch, or a supervised remote session. Use those tools because they preserve system integrity. Make sure to back up any accessible data first, if possible, and record the support case number. If the vendor directs you to an authorized repair center, schedule that service. Choosing official channels avoids firmware damage and maintains audit trails for corporate or legal compliance. To finish, follow the manufacturer's instructions to apply the recovery token or accept the supervised reset. Make sure to verify system functionality afterward. If something goes wrong, escalate within support, ask for higher-tier technical review or an authorized repair authorization. Keep records, case ID, receipts, and technician notes. If you're a business user, route through IT and legal. And importantly, avoid third-party bypass tools or undocumented tricks, unless you have explicit permission.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.